Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can access the Incognito window in the DuckDuckGo web browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So let me launch DuckDuckGo on my desktop computer, and the Incognito mode is called Fire window here on DuckDuckGo, and you may access it by clicking into these three lines in the top right and by choosing this option here. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-N or Command-Shift-N if you're using a Mac. Now, if you don't see that feature, guys, it may be due to your DuckDuckGo web browser being outdated. So if that's the case, guys, navigate to these three lines again, navigate to Settings, and here scroll down on the left-hand side, click into About, and make sure that you're using the most recently released version of the DuckDuckGo web browser. If that's not the case, it will automatically look for new versions that are available so that you may download, install these, and have DuckDuckGo updated, and after that restart or relaunch DuckDuckGo. And this option here, Incognito window, should be available, guys. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got somebody from it, and we'll catch you later.